loads of stuff. Anyway, I hope you liked the video. We will be doing editing later. So bye.
So this is our half-term visit to meet the meerkats at the animal experience outside Ely.
Do it.
Yeah.
Huh?
Well, they've learned it works, look. The teeth right, there you go.
What happens if they get to taking your whole shoe off?
If they got your shoe off, they'd take the insole out and they'd run away with the insole. They've done that before.
Oh, I wouldn't want to get near that inside.
Yeah, I want to do that.
A little scratchy down.
No, I'm going to do that.
No, it's like a scratchy. Interesting bits, see what we can do.
There's nothing in there.
Another shoe.
As you can see, the shoes did come off. They did get to the insoles and had lots of fun. This one liked his neck scratched, and I was used as a watching post because obviously I was quite tall even when seated on the floor. Very friendly little things, very inquisitive and fast as you'd expect. This is a coati. We met because we had a tour afterwards of some of the other animals. Different lizards and snakes. See that, not a snake. This is a bearded dragon my son got to hold. And then a rather lovely milk snake.
And this is the chinchilla and the monitor lizard and the boa constrictors. Please make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.